Need a pencil to mark. Okay. I'm Karmakar and I'm your new art teacher for this academic year 2020 and 21. So your today's topic is we are going to draw a craft work. Okay, we are going to draw. I'm going to show you how to make a flower with this craft paper. So what are the materials we need is we need three craft papers of same color. Yes, we need three craft paper of same color. And then what you need is you need one scissor, you need one pencil, and you need one Fevicol. Okay, so these are the ingredients which we need, and what we'll do is we are going to make a flower. So I'll just turn back the camera, and before turning back the camera, I want you to show you a short video. You look at that video and we get the idea how to make it. So I hope each and every student is ready for this video. Yes, yes, you're ready for the video. So I'll just share the screen and we'll able to see the video. What is the video I'm going to show you? So yes. You have to fold the paper into triangle. So fold it three times. You have to fold the paper three times. And then you have to make the heart shape. Okay? This is what you are going to make a petal. This is how a petal is going to look like. And you have to cut it out. Okay. Just have to read it. Am I audible? So you have to take the papers and you have to cut it in the same way. And this is how this is the first paper. You have to cut one petal out. Okay, and you have to give slight cut to each and every petal. Okay, take a pencil, just roll the edges properly, just roll it out on the opposite side. Afterwards, what you are going to do, the second paper you have to cut out two petals, and on the third you are going to cut out three petals out. Same way, you are going to roll the edges. Now you are going to apply the Fevicol and just roll it out. Stick both the edges properly. Just look at this. You have to do it in this way. Roll the edges properly. This was the part. This was the which we have cut it out. So this is how you're going to roll it properly. And now we're going to start with the bigger one. So first petal you have to overlap one upon the another. The second one and this is the third one. So overlap one petal on the another. So this is how your flower is ready. Now what you have to do is you have to cut a circle out and just fold the edges properly and apply the Fevicol on the edges. Place the circle on that. Just take a pencil or a pen and just press it out properly. Okay. So what is this? This is how your flower is going to be fixed properly. So this was the second second petals. This is of medium size. You have to place it in the center, and then again same way you are going to press the center part properly. Then this is the smaller part, which was the third bigger part over here. Same way, apply the Fevicol, place it on the center, and take a pen or a pencil and press it properly. Yes, this is the another smaller part. Take a pen and press it out properly. This is the one more smaller part. Apply the Fevicol and press it out. Then this is the smallest part of the flower. Just place it in the center. This is how our flower is ready. And for making the leaves, there is one more other part. This is the flower which we are going to make, and this is the leaf. Let's look at this. Look at the leaf. You have to take a craft paper of green color, or you can take dark green color. Just add some cuts to it because it's a rose flower. So the leaves of the rose is having some sharp edges on the corners of the leaf. This is how we're going to add the cuts. Okay. This is how you're going to do it. I hope each and everyone has got it. This is how you're going to make the flowers. So this was the video. This is how you're going to fold the paper. This is one fold. Then comes the another one. Okay. Match the edges properly. This is second fold. And now one more fold. Just look at this. This is how we have done the third fold. And now what we are going to do is we are going to make a petal. Okay. So this is how you're going to make the petal. Yes. I hope each and everyone can see. You're going to make a M-shaped design, and what you're going to do is I'm going to cut it out. So just look at this. Cut it properly. Okay. So this is how I have cut it out, and then I'm going to cut this shape. This corner I'm going to cut it out. Okay. So this is the shape which we have done. Same we are going to do with the another one. Fold the paper. Yes, you have to fold this paper in the same way. Match the edges properly. Okay. match the edges properly, and then one more fold. Yes, and then we are going to make one more fold over here. We are going to fold this page 3 times. Okay, we are going to fold this page 3 times, and then what you're going to do is so this is how you're going to do it. And then after you fold this page, what you're going to do, you're going to place this flower over here in this part. Okay, just look at this, it is a proper. And then take the pencil and mark the shape which you have drawn. Okay, draw it out, and then what you're going to do is we are going to cut this shape. Okay, so this is how you're going to cut it. Place this flower on this. Okay, and you'll get the proper cut over here. Just cut the, this is the second, and here comes the third one. Okay, so this is the third paper which I'm going to fold it in the same way. Okay, same direction, in the same proper manner which we have done in the earlier one. Same, you are going to fold it out. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. Here I have given the proper fold. I'm placing one petal over here in this part. Yes, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to press the shape out. Just cut the paper. You're going to take same color 3 papers. Okay, I don't have one more red color paper, so I have used a brown color. Don't use any another color paper. Okay, okay, same color paper you're going to use. Place the shape over here and just cut the extra paper out. Okay, so here I have done 3 petals. I'm going to open it, and what I'm going to do is just look at this. This is the first paper. I'm going to cut one petal out. एक petal को मैं cut करके निकाल दूंगा. Okay, here I have cutted one petal out. As you can see, in first paper एक petal को बाहर निकालना है. This is the second petal. Okay, open it properly. In the second paper, in the second petal, what you're going to do, you remove 2 petals out. You're going to remove two petals. Just cut it out. Okay, so as you can see, this was the second petal. I have cutted 2 petals out. Okay, and this is the third one. In the third petal, you're going to cut out 3 petals out. So one from this. So just look at this. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to cut 3 petals out. Okay, so as you can see this, I've cutted 3 petals out. 1, 2, 3 out. So now what you're going to do is we are going to start stick this paper. So first I'm going to take a Fevicol and I'm going to apply on this side. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to do it. And then you have to fold this paper and overlap on this. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to overlap it. Okay, stick it properly. So one. Now this is the second one. Apply the Fevicol on the corner. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold this paper. Okay, we are going to stick this paper on this side. So this is how you're going to fold the another one. Okay, see. Okay, and then comes the one single petal which we have done. Same way, apply the Fevicol on this part, on the corner. Okay, apply the Fevicol, and then what you're going to do, you're going to fold this paper. Okay, just roll it. Make a proper roll and stick this. So this is how we have rolled the paper. Yes. Okay. So we have rolled three petals. I'm going to keep it aside. And now I'm going to take the single one which I have cut it out. So you're going to apply the Fevicol on one whole petal over here. Just look at this. You're going to apply the Fevicol on this whole petal. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to overlap, but before doing this I have not shown you this part. This is very important. I have not cut it this part, so you're going to cut this shape out first. Okay, so to cut this shape, so this is how you're going to do it. Yes, after this, take a pencil, go in the outer shape and just roll the paper. Okay, just roll the paper. So just look at this. This is how you're going to roll it out. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to roll it. Okay. So this is how you're going to roll the paper, and then you're going to stick it. So this is how you're going to stick this paper. Okay. One. Same way, give the proper cuts to the edge. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah. After this, go on the opposite side. This is the opposite side. Okay. So I'll just roll this paper. I'm just rolling the edges properly. Same way you're going to roll it out. You can take a proper pencil or a brush if you're having. You're just going to take this way and you're going to roll it out. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to roll the paper. Roll the edges. I hope each and everyone is getting this. Okay. And now what you're going to do on the opposite side, you're going to apply the Fevicol. Yes, you're going to apply the Fevicol. As you can see, I'm applying the Fevicol on one petal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the petal, one petal on this. Okay. So this is how you're going to stick the petal. Okay. One, two, and this is the last one. So same way, give a proper cut. Here I have given a proper cut to each and every part. Just look at this. It's very easy and it's very simple. Okay, so now turn the paper and same way roll the edges properly. Here I'm rolling the edges. As you can see, this is how you're going to roll the edge of the petal. This is how I'm rolling the edges. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the Fevicol on this part. And stick this edge over here in this whole. Just look at this. This is how you're going to do it. Okay, we have done the whole thing. Here I have not given, I forgot to give the curve. So just I'm cutting the edges properly. And you can take a pencil or a brush, just roll the edge properly. This is the way how you're going to roll the edge. So here I have rolled the edge, and on this part also same way, give a slight cut and roll the edges outside. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to roll the edge. Okay, so here I have each and every part, and now I'm going to stick. So now what I need is I need one. I'm going to make a base. Okay, I'm going to make the base of the flower. So here I'm cutting one circle. Here I have cutted one circle. I'm going to see whether it's placing or not. Yes, it's placing. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold this edge. Okay, so this is the bigger part. Okay, this is the bigger shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the Fevicol on this part. Okay, here I have applied the Fevicol, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this shape on this circle. Okay, here I have placed the circle, I have placed the flower on this circle, and now I'm going to stick this, press it properly. Yes, and this is how I have stick this flower on this. Now I'm going to take the medium size. Okay, and fold this edge properly. Yes, I'm folding this edge, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to same way, I'm going to apply the Fevicol. Yes, I have applied the Fevicol, and now how you're going to place, look at these two petals. Your petal is going to be in this center. Okay, just look at this. This is the way how you're going to do, and then again you're going to do it in this way. Okay, this is how you're going to place the petal. And this is the third one, same way, folding the edges in the side part. Okay, apply the Fevicol. I have applied the Fevicol, and then from this two side, this will be the petal over here. Take a pencil or a pen if you have, just press it over here. Okay, just press it nicely so it gets stick properly. So this is how you're going to do, and then take the another side, fold it inside. Okay, get a proper curve. Okay, and then apply the Fevicol on this part. Okay, what you are going to do is, again you're going to place it in the center, place the paper in the center, take a pencil and just press the corners where you have applied the Fevicol. Just look at this. Okay, press it nicely so that it gets stick properly, and then you have to take this part, apply the Fevicol on this part, place it in the center, get the pencil, just press it. Okay, so just I'm pressing it in the center, and this is the last part. Apply the Fevicol on the corner. Yes, I hope each and every student has got the idea how to do this. Take the pencil, go it inside and just press it out. This is how you are going to make the flower. We have ready, we have made the flower. Just look at this. This is how you are going to make the flower. And now what we are going to do is, here I'm going to take a green color paper. Okay, here I'm using a green color paper. I'm having a light green color paper over here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make the leaves of the, you can take dark green color paper. Okay, you can take dark green color paper and you can make the leaves. So how you are going to make the leaves? This is the single craft paper. I have folded into 4 equal parts. Okay, and then I'm going to cut this paper out. Just look at this. Here I have got a single paper. Okay, now what you're going to do is, you're going to fold this paper into half. Okay, just fold the paper into half, take a pencil, make a design of a leaf. You're going to make it only half. Okay, so this is the half shape of a leaf, and what you're going to do is, we are going to cut it out. Just look at this. This is how we have cut it out. And then what you're going to do is, we are going to add some curve. When you open this, this is the leaf you have got. What you're going to do is, you're going to add some cuts. Okay, this is the texture. Okay, give some cuts properly. This is the way how you're going to do it. Yes, and just look at this. This is the shape how you're going to make it. Just look at this. This is how your leaf is ready. Okay, and then what you're going to do is, you're going to fold it in half, and we are going to give a 3D texture. So just fold this in this way. Just fold the leaf in this way. Fan fold you're going to do with this leaf. Yes, and when you open this, leaf, just look at this. When you open the leaf, you will get the proper leaf like texture. Yes, have you got it? Each and every one. What you're going to do now is, we are going to apply the Fevicol on this part over here, and we are going to place it in this part. On the down part, you're going to place the leaf. Just look at this. Same way, we are going to make another 2 leaves. Same way, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this paper into half. Okay. Again, I'm showing you how to do the leaf, how to draw the leaf. Make a half leaf type shape over here. Yes, I've got the half leaf type shape and just cut this shape out. I hope each and every student is getting this idea how to do the how to draw the leaf and how to draw the flower. Each and every student have got the idea how to do it. Yes, okay. So this is how you're going to add the texture to the leaf. This is the shape of the leaf, how you're going to do it. Just look at it. This is the way how you're going to cut the shape out. I hope each and everyone is getting this. It's easy and it's bit simple. If you start doing this, you will find it really easy. So now after doing this, get the fold, fan fold. Just look at this. You're going to fan fold the leaf in the slant way. Okay. So just look at this. This is the way how you're going to fan fold the leaf, and then you're going to open the leaf. So just look at this. This is the leaf which we have done. So now what we are going to do is we are going to apply the Fevicol on this part. Yes, in this part we have applied the Fevicol and we are going to place the leaf on this part. So just look at this. Okay, here I have got one more leaf. I'm going to stick 4 leaves in the down part. This is the way how I have opened the leaf and apply the Fevicol on this part, and I'm going to paste this leaf on this one. You can stick 3 also if you want. Okay, so here I have stick 3 leaves. So just look at this. This is the flower which we have done. Okay, we have made the flower. Just have a look to this flower. This is the flower which we have made. Okay, and this is the down part which we have done. So this is the flower. Just look at this. I just turned the camera. Just look at this. This is the flower which we have made. Yes, each and everyone had got the idea how to make the flower, how to make the rose. Yes, this is the 3D flower which we have made with 3 same color, red color papers, craft paper, and one dark green you can use or light green you can use. Okay, so this is the flower which we have made. So I hope each and everyone had got the idea how to make this. Yes, I'll just, is there any doubt to any student? I'm just turning